morning. I am Kushalveer Singh, RCIT Mechanical Engineering Department in Jaipur. Today topic is redundancy. The subject of quality management 6th semester mechanical engineering. Some photos for illustrating the redundancy like a common redundant power supply, redundant subsystem B, and extensively redundant rear lighting installation on a thigh tube bus. in in engineering, redundancy is the duplication of critical components or functions of a system with the intention of increasing reliability of the system, usually in the form of backup or fail safe, or to improve actual system performance, such as in the case of GNSS receivers or multi-threaded computer processing. In many safety critical systems such as fly-by-wire and hydraulic systems in aircraft, some parts of the control system may be triplicated, which is formally termed triple modular redundancy, that is called TMR. An error in one component may then be outvoted by the other two. In a triply redundant system, the system has three subcomponents, all three of which must fail before the system fails. Since each one rarely fails and the subcomponents are expected to fail independently, the probability of all three failing is calculated to be extraordinarily small, often outweighed by other risk factors such as human error. Redundancy may also be known by the term majority voting system or voting logic. Redundancy sometimes produces less instead of greater reliability. It creates a more complex system which is prone to various issues. It may lead to human neglect of duty and may lead to higher production demands, which by overstressing the system may make it less safe. Forms of redundancy. In computer science, there are four major forms of redundancy. These are hardware redundancy such as dual modular redundancy and triple modular redundancy, information redundancy such as error detection and correction methods, and time redundancy, performing the same operation multiple times such as multiple execution of a programs or multiple copies of data transmitted. Software redundancy such as inversion programming, a modified form of software technology. Software redundancy applied to hardware may be distinct functional redundancy such as both mechanical and hydraulic braking in a car, applied in the case of software code written independently and distinctly different but producing the same results for the same inputs. Structures are usually designed with redundant parts as well, ensuring that if one part fails, the entire structure will not collapse. A structure without redundancy is called fracture critical, meaning that a single broken component can cause the collapse of the entire structure. Bridges that fail due to lack of redundancy include the Silver Bridge and the Interstate 5 bridge over the River. Parallel and combined system demonstrate different level of redundancy. The models are subject of studies in reliability and safety engineering. The function of redundancy. The two functions of redundancy are passive redundancy and active redundancy. Both functions prevent performance decline from exceeding specifications limits without human intervention using extra capacity. Passive redundancy uses excess capacity to reduce the impact of component failures. One common form of passive redundancy is the extra strength of cabling and struts used in bridges. This extra strength allows some structural components to fail without bridge collapse. The extra strength used in the design is called the margin of safety. Eyes and ears provide working example of passive redundancy. Vision loss in one eye does not cause blindness, but depth perception is impaired. Hearing loss in one ear does not cause deafness, but directionality is lost. Performance decline is commonly associated with passive redundancy when a limited number of failures occur. Active redundancy eliminates performance decline by monitoring the performance of individual devices, and this monitoring is used in voting logic. The voting logic is linked to switching that automatically configures the components, error detection and correction, and the global positioning system that is called in short form as GPS, which are used to locate the position of any automobiles or any components at any times, are two examples of active redundancy. Electric power distribution provides an example of active redundancy. Several power lines connect each generation facility with customers. Each power line includes monitors that detect overload. Each power line also includes circuit breakers. The combination of power lines provides excess capacity. Circuit breakers disconnect a power line when monitors detect an overload. Power is redistributed across the remaining lines. Disadvantage of redundancy. Charlie Perrow, author of Normal Accidents, has said that sometimes redundancies backfire and produce less, not more reliability. This may happen in three ways. First, redundant safety devices results in a more complex system, more prone to errors and accidents. Second, redundancy may lead to shrinking of responsibility among workers. Third, redundancy may lead to increased production pressure, resulting in a system that operates at higher speed but less safety. Calculating the probability of system failure. Each duplicate component added to the system decreases the probability of system failure according to the formula P is equals to pi I is equals to 1 to n into pi, where n is the number of components, pi is the probability of components I failing, and p is the probability of component failing system failure. This formula assumes independence of failure events. That means that the probability of a component B failing, given that a component A has already failed, is the same as that of B failing when A has not failed. There are situations where this is unreasonable, such as using two power supplies connected to the same socket in such a way that if one power supply failed, the other would too. It also assumes that only one component is needed to keep the system running. Thank you.